Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. I am back with a quick and easy tutorial today. I'll show you how to make pressed flowers using your laminating machine. So now I've cut the pressed flowers in different shapes and sizes. For this rectangular piece, I've decided to make a bookmark. I love that you see the flowers. It's a transparent bookmark. You can see the text when you put it on the page. I'm just putting a little punch there so I can put a fabric little tie or ribbon. I used this remnant. This is a piece of remnant I used in a recent project that I'm really excited to share with you guys soon. How do you use your pressed flowers? My mother has framed them as well in the past. And here's another idea with this 3x4 sized card. I'm going to create a side tuck or side pocket. We're just going to put some double-sided adhesive on it. This 6x8 card was something I purchased from Tuesday Morning. It was the Miscellaneous Me brand. I love them because they are double-sided and you get a lot. I think it was $4.99. I got over 60 cards and they came in actually three sizes, 4x6. I think they had a 3x4 and these larger ones. Comment below, let me know what your favorite wildflowers are and how do you use them. So here we are, I'm pressing it down there. Look how pretty that looks on the page. Let's test it out here. You can put a small card, a picture, a longer piece of card there. And now I have a smaller piece that's cut in a square, and I've decided to do a journal card with a window. To create that, use a circle or scallop edge punch, and I'm just going to adhere this again. I used the Daiso double-sided adhesive. It's only $1.50 and you get a lot. And it's easier to peel than the red ones I previously used. I forget the brand, but that was the previous adhesive I would use to adhere my paper. So now we're just centering this laminated pressed flower here. We are going to close it. And now we're going to round off the corners. Now that we've rounded those corners, it's time to embellish this journal card. And I love this paper pad. This was from Bo Bunny. I forget the name, but it was a fairy themed one. And I love that this window is double-sided, decorating again the back with another ephemera image that I cut out from that paper collection. And at the bottom, I am going to be putting a little sheet where I can write and journalize. And it says memory, so I think it'll be perfect. So I cut it to size. This was from a recollections pad. So there you have it, a little journal card with a window and a little tuck spot. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Today we made a pressed flower bookmark, a little window journal card, and also a cute little pocket or tuck spot. Love to see your creations. Make sure to tag me at Caramia's Corner And if you have any other ideas on how to use pressed flowers, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I'm still trying to figure out how to use these purple flowers. Thanks again for watching Cara Corner. I'll see you next time. Bye.